Hello, hello, hello. So I saw this bag at the airport and I kind of like snuck a screenshot and I sent it to my daughters and I was like, OMG, check out this purse. It is like super duper cute. And they're like, yeah, mom, we've seen it. And they started sending me pictures and links. And I was like, oh, okay, well, I like it, right? And I didn't give any more thought about it. And then now I have one. So I literally physically have one. So my daughter bought it for me for Mother's Day, and I literally got it a couple days now just before Mother's Day. It is hot off the front porch patio from FedEx. Wasn't sure if it was going to actually arrive before Mother's Day. So yes, I have one in my hands here. I did get the option to pick, so it's not a super duper surprise because they know how funny style I can be. So my only conundrum was what size do I want? So I did do some YouTubing myself, looking at others, trying to figure out what size I wanted. And I landed on the large. I was stuck between the medium and the large because I do quite a bit of traveling and I normally just throw my stuff. I have my purse and then I have my backpack where I keep my laptops and iPads and charging cords, stuff like that, because my flights are pretty long. And so I try to get a lot of work done. And then sometimes I'm just rumbling through my backpack trying to figure out where the stuff is at. So I thought, well, you know what? This might be a good traveling bag. So with that said and done, let's go ahead and take a look, right? So if you don't know, because I didn't quite say it at the beginning, but you would have seen it in the title, it's the Telfar Jacquard chocolate monogram large. They have tons and tons of options, tons and tons of color. But again, as I said, since I do travel, I thought the chocolate would be ideal because you gotta scoot your stuff under the seats at the airport, or I'm sorry, on the airplane, or throw them up at the top. And so I just thought for the sake of it staying clean, that the chocolate would be the ideal color. So ready, let's take a look. Okay. So you can see it's a nice size large box. I'm a big proponent of keeping my boxes typically for the most part just to keep my stuff protected. But it's such a large box, I'm not really sure if I'll keep it per se. It comes in the plastic, I guess just double protection per se. If nothing else, just to keep the dust bag clean, right? That would be my thought, to keep the dust bag clean. And I definitely like the fact of having a dust bag because when I rotate throughout my purses for seasonal or traveling or whatever the case may be, I do like to put them back in their perspective dust bag. So I definitely love the dust bag part. And as I mentioned, I did get the large, okay, Telfar, right? Nice thick dust bag as well. So here it is. Again, the Jacquard, right? Monogram. And it is the large. Wish I had my measuring tape just so you can see the dimensions, because that was the part that I was kind of stuck on. I love the monogram. I think it gives very nice dimension. Definitely love this part, the large T, right? And just for my own edification, really, in case for those who out there also, because when I said I was like stuck between the medium and the large, I kept wondering like how big is the actual large. So I do have like a tape measure that goes with my keychain. So it is 19 by 15, 19 by 15. And then this part is about 6.5, the bottom piece. So 19, so very good size. It has the feet, metal feet. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this really kind of getting scratched up. Love, love, love. If I didn't say that already, I was like already excited when I knew I was getting one. So now that I have it actually here for my own very own, very well protected. And then I'll move the box out the way so we can get into it per se. So I'll just do that over there, right? So yeah, so it has this zipper, which is cool. I mean, I have some bags like my Louis Vuitton that has the open, and I'm always concerned about stuff falling out, or especially like I said, I do a lot of traveling. So if I have to put it down and it falls over, I don't have to worry about did something fall out or anything like that. So it zips, unzips, goes all the way past, and then all this paper in the side to protect it from getting squished while I travel, even though in the box it was very, very roomy. And so this is the inside, huge. It's got, again, the logo. It's got a pocket right here. You want to keep a couple little items. I do like to wear my, put lip gloss on when I'm traveling, especially, like I said, I'm on the plane for a long time, so I do tend to do that, as well as grab lotion, right? So this is good for that. Earbuds, so they're easily accessible. So just those little quick things that you want to grab. And then, of course, there's the additional strap. Sorry about that. There's the additional strap, so you can like carry it over, hang it over your body, or you can just do this way. I'm more of the, with all the luggage that I have to carry, you know, like I said, my purse and stuff, I'm a big proponent of just putting it over my shoulder with a longer strap. I also don't really like to so much hold the strap like this because of the lotion that I put on and the oils. So I tend to really like this part personally. Easy, snaps on. And you know, just hold it over like that, like this, right? Or you can just do it like this, which this is even nice too without doing the crossbody. I like this as well. Hangs nice and low, right? So again, beautiful, beautiful bag. Now, does it stand the test of my intent? Obviously perfect for just a regular carry bag, you know, whether you use it this way or you use the strap. But again, I said mine is for travel. So what do I normally travel with? So I have my iPad. And that's why I was kind of on the fence between this one and the medium, because I was like, how big do I really need this to be? So that's my iPad. And you can see, I think my iPad's only 12 inches on height. This bag is like, I think I said 19. So as you can see, still tons of room. Honestly, I could probably do a duo, do this as a purse and put my computers, accessories, and whatnot in there. Then I have my cords, some of my cords, and then my actual laptop. So even with putting in those two devices, as you can see, tons and tons of space still left. Now, other things I would typically put in here when I'm traveling would be some more cords, chargers, and plugs and that nature. Sometimes I put snacks in here because it's a long flight and I might not want to pay for the stuff on the flight. So that still gives me plenty of room to throw in some additional things. And if I wanted to, I can easily just throw my wallet in there and maybe my makeup bag, which is very small. And voila, there you have it. And like I said, the reason I really like this part is because with my laptop and everything, it can tend to be a little heavy. So having it hang like this versus me having to carry it like this per se. Just works out better. But basically, that's the gist of it. All right, beautiful, beautiful, and absolutely beautiful. Thank you.